Hello, this is Opinion Radar, and as a mom who's always on the hunt for screen-free ways to keep my kid engaged, I'm always testing out new toys that promise creativity without the chaos. Today, I'm sharing my honest take on something we recently tried that's been surprisingly delightful, the FunKidz Ice Cream Slime Kit. If you've been down the slime aisle before, you know how hit or miss these can be. Either they're messy within minutes, dry out fast, or lose their charm after one use. But this one caught my attention with its playful theme and promise of hands-on fun. I'll be walking you through how it's worked in our home, from setup and sensory play to cleanup and creative expansion. It's been a journey filled with giggles, a bit of experimentation, and even some unexpected parenting wins. Let me tell you about this little gem we found for my 10-year-old. This FunKidz Ice Cream Slime Kit. Let me tell you about this little gem we found for my 10-year-old. This FunKidz Ice Cream Slime Kit. We've tried a few slime kits over the years, some that barely made one decent slime before running out. But this one, it's been an absolute game changer in our house. I was surprised at how much actually comes in the box. Multiple bases, tons of colorful add-ins, glitter, beads, and even cute little containers shaped like ice cream cones and candy. My daughter's eyes lit up when she saw it. But more than just looking adorable, it's actually practical. She's already made 3 different slimes and still has plenty left. That kind of longevity is a win for me, especially when the mess is kept to a minimum and the fun stretches over weeks, not just one afternoon. One of the things I didn't expect, though I should have hoped for it, was how much it's helped reduce screen time. I mean, is that not every parent's dream? Instead of hearing, "Can I have tablet time?" for the 1000th time, it's now, "Mom, can I do slime?" And honestly, I say yes. She sets up her little lab on the kitchen table, well, with a big plastic sheet underneath because I'm not that brave, and spends at least an hour experimenting. She loves mixing textures, sometimes going for that super stretchy, satisfying pull. Other times making it thicker, almost like a squishy stress ball. It's amazing what she can create just from the materials included. It's not just play. It feels like light science, a fun way to learn about consistency and reactions without her even realizing it. Now, I will be honest, no slime activity is 100% mess-free. But this one, it's way less messy than I feared. I was bracing myself for sticky fingers on the couch, glitter in the dog's fur, the whole deal. But the slime actually stays contained pretty well. Maybe it's the quality of the activator or the formula they use, but it doesn't ooze everywhere or leave residue. And when she's done, she stores it in those cute little ice cream containers, which she thinks are so cool. And honestly, they work. The slime stays fresh for days, sometimes even a week, with no drying out or weird smells. That durability was something I didn't think to care about until now. It means she can come back to a slime she made, add something new, keep tweaking it. It's like her little creative project keeps evolving. What I love most is how customizable everything is. It's not like those kits where you follow one rigid recipe and end up with the same thing every time. With this one, she can change the texture, add different scents. There's cotton candy, bubblegum, you name it, and layer in all kinds of sparkles and charms. One day she made a glittery purple swirl slime she named Galaxy Storm. The next she went for a fluffy pink one with little star confetti that she calls her dream cone. It's wild how creative she's gotten with it. And the best part? She started making slimes as little gifts for her friends. I didn't prompt that. She just thought it would be fun to share. Now she carefully labels her containers and even ties ribbons on them. It's sweet, thoughtful, and keeps her busy for hours. Win, win, win. I do want to mention the instructions, though. They're okay. My daughter is pretty craft savvy, so she figured it out quickly with a little trial and error. But I can imagine a younger kid, or one less used to DIY kits, getting a bit confused. The steps aren't always perfectly clear, and it took a minute to figure out how much activator to add for different textures. Now, I know this isn't a huge deal. We were able to learn as we went, but it might be something to keep in mind if your child likes very detailed, step by step guidance. That said, the mess is easily washable, it's non toxic, and it doesn't stain, so experimenting is safe. Honestly, part of the fun is in the trial and error. So while I wish the guide was a bit better, it didn't ruin the experience at all. At $18, I'll admit I hesitated at first. Is it really worth it? But after seeing how much joy it's brought, how often it's used, and how much creativity it's sparked, I can say yes, absolutely. This isn't one of those toys that gets played with once and tossed in the closet. It's a gift that keeps giving, especially if your child loves hands on activities. It's been perfect for birthdays, rainy days, after school wind downs, even as a little reward. I've already caught myself thinking about getting another one just so she can mix even more combo textures. If you're looking for something that's engaging, creative, and actually fun to hand to a kid, instead of just another screen based distraction, this slime kit is a fantastic pick. My daughter adores it. It's durable, safe, and actually encourages sharing and imagination. Can't ask for much more than that. If you're ready to trade screen time for sweet, squishy creativity, give the FunKidz Ice Cream Slime Kit a try. It's been a total joy in our home. And if you're loving fun, family tested finds like this, go ahead and hit like and subscribe. Let's whip up more playful moments together. Your next favorite activity might just be a click away.